Are you ready for my stitching porch update? I've finally got it pretty much under control and I'm ready to share it with you. Everything's not finished, but I think it's enough you'll get the feel of it. As I come in my patio door here, the first thing to the left is this vanity, and I will be adding things to the top and the drawers of that. It's my last piece to work with, so I'm not quite finished. I just got through cleaning it up, and it's in really good shape for how old it is. Now, as I come in, as you know, this was a patio area that my husband enclosed for me last year, and so to have a comfortable place to sit and stitch and work outside of my actual sewing area, which is right inside this door, this glass sliding door that goes into my house. So this is, oh, I love it. It's really, really nice. To my right here, as I come in the door, is just a little bulletin board area and table here that I can put some fabric on. I have lots of windows that give me lots of light and into my backyard, which we are beginning to landscape right now. We worked in our front yard, got it looking good. As you know, we moved into this house a year ago this month. And so now we're beginning to work on our backyard. It's a blank canvas out there. Right now, you can't really see it, but I have 4 blueberry bushes and 2 azaleas right now that we've planted, and we're just beginning. Now I have a table here with my paints sitting there, a place that I can sit and work if I need a flat surface. Now, as we come down the room, on the left here is a baker's rack, and I have my laces on here. On the bottom is a huge bowl and where all my yarns are. And then I have other things up in here, decorative yarns, a bowl of loose threads, of course. The jewelry box, I'm using, I have 2 of them, and I'm using them to hold my finer, better threads that I want to keep organized so I can find them easily. And then up is another little shelf with 3 baskets up there to use. And just, I'm just putting things out as I come across them, and we'll see how all this goes. Then next to that is a magazine rack little table and another jewelry box that I haven't got anything in right now. Sad to say, I've got a lot of DMC, just regular embroidery thread, but I don't have a lot of really nice or fancy threads, and I would really like to get a bigger selection of that to work with. And I love the variegated, different variegated threads. And so as time goes by, perhaps I'll be able to pick up more of those. Simple chair there. Now, across the room from that, I found this bench, which is so colorful, looks like a garden, and I love it. And it's in good shape. I found it secondhand, so I picked that up. Now, this is my chest, and this is just working out wonderfully. And I have a little display board above it. Let's see, I have ribbons, my rolled ribbon and different trims. That takes up the first 2 drawers. Then the third drawer is I'm working with my, well, goodness, it just left me. The, can't think of what this stuff is called. I'll think of it in a minute. The tool and whatever this stuff is here. And so I'm getting my collection of that in there. Then let's see what I have in here. This is my eyelash, different eyelash yarns. Okay. And then in this bottom drawer is my shears, my scarves and shears and things like that I'm putting in there. Okay. Now, if we go down the room, we have another round table, and I'm going to be putting, I don't know what, on this soon. And and then we're going to come down to my chair, and I just love it. It's very comfortable, and I have all the nice light around me to work with, okay? My husband's chair, and another table with a big basket of scraps that I can play with while I'm out here. This is my project book that I made. You may remember with my needle book and my project book. I have a video on that if you're interested in checking that out. And I have a big wall here where I can hang some of my work as I go along. Okay. So I love my stitching porch. It's come along really good up to this point. It's big and it's roomy. I can invite 2 or 3 friends, and we can sit and stitch together and have a light lunch and just enjoy a little bit of slow living and association together. Now, if you have any suggestions for me, how I might improve this or change something or whatever, just please put them in the comments. I'm working with all of this is basically been gotten through thrift stores and estate sales and garage sales and things like that. Nothing in here was bought brand new. It's all being utilized secondhand, and I love that. It kind of goes with my whole persona that I work with scraps, which I do 90% of the time. And so why not work with thrifted, already loved items that I can use myself. And so as you can see, this goes right out into my outdoor patio, and then to the right into my room of the house where I have my sewing area set up. And I don't want to show that to you right now, because if you've been following my videos, you know that I'm trying to clean and restructure that. And as soon as I get that mess cleaned up and organized in some way, I'll make a video and let you see where I'm working in there too. Meantime, thank you so much for spending time here with me. I appreciate it. I love my community and my friends here on YouTube. Stay with me and let's all stay scrap happy.